Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will click on ChatGPT and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem.